Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in, use your existing account or quickly create one with email and password, enabling 2FA if available. Once logged in, add a payment method or redeem a gift code so purchases go smoothly. Next, search the movie title and apply filters like genre, year, rating, and 4K versus SD to narrow results. Once done, pick the exact listing that matches release or edition and open its detail page to prepare for purchase or playback. You now decide how to watch, rent, buy, or use included streaming through your subscription. Compare prices and note rental windows. Then choose playback quality, auto to save bandwidth or force 1080p or 4K for best clarity. Enable downloads if you need offline access. Configure subtitles and audio tracks by language or hearing-impaired options, and toggle extras like director commentary. Make sure your device supports the chosen format, and that storage or bandwidth meets the selected quality. You complete the purchase or tap play, confirm the receipt or that the title appears in your library or watch list. Use the on-screen controls to play, pause, seek, cast to TV, or adjust playback speed, and download the file if offline viewing is necessary. Verify subtitles and audio before long sessions. If playback stutters or fails, test your internet speed, clear the app cache, sign out and back in, or try another device. These steps usually resolve buffering or authorization problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.